back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make butter slime. So the stuff you'll need for today is Model Magic clay, and you'll also need lotion. So first let's get clay out. Okay, so this is the clay. Oh my word, this feels amazing. So at first we're just gonna knead it, so we kind of just like warm it up with our hands and get it ready for the lotion. So I saw this and I really wanted to try it out, so I thought I'd make a video on it. Okay, now that I got that done, you're gonna get your lotion and you are gonna just put a little bit in at a time. And then you're just gonna knead that in. The texture of this is so nice. It's like already transforming. Tried escaping. So you're just gonna keep adding it until you get the texture you want. My lotion escaped. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I told you guys I wanted to do DIYs, and I think I mentioned something about making slime. So here's my slime video. And this looks like so easy, so I just wanted to try it out. Like, I'm always trying to experiment with, like, slime. I love slime. Like, I'm always trying to do the no glue slime. Okay. And now I'm going to add a little bit more. So you're just going to keep adding lotion until you get the texture you want. And then once you finish adding lotion in, you guys can add like charms or glitter. Except I don't have any charms or glitter. This is turning out so nice. Oh, this texture is so nice. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I just put a poll into my community recently, and I'm gonna leave it up for like a little bit longer. And which my channel is still kind of new and nobody voted on it, which isn't really surprising. So I'm just gonna, if nobody votes, if one person votes, then I'll do whatever they vote on. But if nobody votes by like in 2 days, I'll probably just like pick one on my own. So if you guys have not checked that out yet, go check it out and go vote. So then I know what to do next. And also, I'm probably gonna put in some like stuff on how to make Barbie stuff. This texture is so nice and like smooth. Like, I also saw one where you use shaving cream. I also want to try out one where you use like shaving cream and cornstarch and it makes like a dough. Wow, this is turning out so nice. Holy moly. Guys, you gotta try this out. It's like the most easiest way to make slime. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep kneading this and adding more lotion until I get the texture I want. So I'll be back in a little bit. Bye! I am done adding lotion, and holy moly, this is so nice. Look at this. This is so nice. I never felt slime like this before. And just so you know, you guys don't have to use the certain lotion I used. It doesn't matter what lotion you use. But I do recommend using the Model Magic Air Dry Clay because I tried it with some other clay ones and it didn't work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys make this and I hope you guys love it. Bye!